Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today's video is gonna be a video about how to make floating text on Capcut. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Capcut and let's start a new project. In this new project, I think I will let you go into the stock videos and I will let you go into this part. So it's black background, and after that just go click add, and now let's add the text by go click the text here and go click add text and start typing what text that you want to add. For example, here let's do with the Capcut. And after you're done, you can also do styling, choose the font that you want to. I think this one is quite good, and you can also do the styling like the size, the space, and anything. And whenever you're done, you just need to export this video. And now let's just go click create a new project and just bring back the video with the text that we have here. And whenever we're done, we just need to go jump into the effects by go click this part. And now we just need to go click a video effects and go into the distortions, and in this distortion you can just choose a ripple distortions, and you can see the text is moving. You just need to go click done. You can also adjusting the speed if you want, so you click the effect part and go click adjust. You can go at the size. You can also adjusting the speed if you want to make it like slower. Okay, and whenever you're done, you just need to go click done. So that's the way how to create the text floating on the Capcut application. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.